Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to recover permanently deleted emails in Gmail. Let's get started. What you need to do first is check your deleted emails are still in the trash folder. Open Gmail and tap the menu icon on the left. Then go to trash. If the emails are still there, select them and tap move to inbox to restore. If your trash is empty or already clicked empty trash, don't worry, we'll try the next step. The next step is go to the Google support page called Gmail messages are missing. You can find the link in the description or search for it on Google. Then scroll down and tap request email recovery. Then confirm your Gmail address and tap continue to submit your request. Google will try to recover any emails deleted in the last 30 days. If Google finds recoverable emails, they'll automatically be restored to your inbox. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.